What's going on, my friend? Garrett here. Welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video, what we're going to do is take a look at a new product on the market called Launch Academy. In this video, we're going to cover what exactly Launch Academy is, what's all covered, a little bit about the creators, and also how, if you see an opportunity for yourself with this, you can access some incredible bonuses today. Okay, so right now I'm actually on the JV page for this product. It hasn't yet launched. It's launching in a few days at the time of recording this. And this is the page that affiliates get access to, okay? So what I'm gonna do as you follow along in this video is walk through each step so you understand a full overview of what this product is. And then at the end of this video, you can decide whether or not you wanna get this, okay? Cover exactly actually what Launch Academy is. So this is really a step-by-step online course that is going to share with you how you can actually monetize your passions. And what I mean by that is he's going to teach you how you can start creating online courses around things you're interested in, you're passionate about, and how you can start attracting customers and making money through that, okay? Because he talks about, on this page, and I'm going to include a link at any time in this video if you want to just read this with me or you want to check out more information, click the link below and you can find that out. But basically what he talks about is the problem with most people that want to start their own business online is they don't know how to start and they don't know how to create their own products, create their own courses. One of the fastest ways to start making money online, start to create a full-time business, to maybe quit a job or maybe work from home full-time, is to teach, right? Everyone has a skill, everyone has some talent that people would probably pay you for. So what he teaches you is how to, using a proven system, apply that knowledge, create your own online course, and start to see some results online, okay? Now, here are a few people that have actually used this course, okay, this Launch Academy course. Michael Stone, okay, so he's managed to get 195 students, okay, just using the system. This woman right here, CHRISTINA PRATT, okay, she managed to have 220 students, okay, in 20 plus countries. She sold her course for $297, and again, all that's covered inside of this program, okay. Her revenue, the amount of money that she actually made was $65,340, okay, pretty incredible. This person right here, okay, students 45, course price $297. Revenue $13,365, okay? So just right here, these are just 3 people alone that have used this system that he's revealing to go on, create a course, and see some incredible results. Let me talk a little bit though about Chris Kyle, okay, the owner, the creator of Launch Academy. Now, he's been a business coach and an author for a while. He's an e-learning expert. So basically when it comes to teaching people how to do something online, he's pretty much an expert. He's been doing it for years, and I've actually known about him for a while now because he's created and hosted these summits. Okay, one of them had over 14,000 participants inside the summit to learn from what he had to teach. So he definitely knows what he's talking about. And the key here, though, if you're watching this video and you're wanting to know, is this worth putting your hard-earned money into? He believes in authentic messaging and marketing, okay? So he basically teaches you these main pieces, okay? 4 essential elements inside of this academy. Number 1 is transformative content, okay, for a better student learning experience. So he teaches you how to do that. He teaches you how to enroll messaging that attracts lots of the right students, because again, as you start to sell your online course, you don't want to attract people that aren't interested. You don't want to attract people that are going to be a hassle or take a lot of your time. He's going to teach you how to attract the right students to you that are already interested in what you have to teach. Effective and converting marketing for filling up your course. So again, it's not right to just create the course. You need to easily and effortlessly attract people that want to buy the course, and that's how you're going to be making money. And he teaches you how to do that effortlessly. Also, engagement-oriented technology to increase connection and motivation. Getting people to continue through the course is really key, and he teaches that as well. So he says, share your message, build your list, impact lives, and grow your income. Okay? And then you can go on again, find out more information at the link below. But he talks about all these different modules that you're going to actually get access to inside of this academy as well. Module 5, build your visuals and build your course pages. So how to basically create course pages when you build that online training. Create a powerful free preview event. Okay, he talks about that's a great way to see success as well. Manage your launch campaign. If you ever wanted to know how to actually know what to launch and stuff like that, he teaches you that right there. And all this incredible stuff. Okay, more testimonials, more people that have used it. So what I want to share with you is if you're watching this video and maybe you wanted to start your own course or you just wanted to make some passive income online, then what I want to share with you is some amazing bonuses you can get if you decide to purchase this and join this through the link, which is my link below. Okay, so let me open up this page right here. These are actual going to be bonuses worth over $297 that are going to teach you my personal strategies that I've used to gain students for the last 4 years full-time online. You're actually going to get access to over-the-shoulder videos that are going to accent, as you start to learn how to create your own courses, how to get floods of people to them through my own twists that I've personally used, okay? Bonus number 1, when you get this at the link below today, is you're gonna get a 4-step ad posting formula to crush out daily sales for free on Facebook. So a lot of people may not have a lot of money for paid advertising. This method is gonna share with you how you can actually leverage your Facebook profile, a Facebook page for free, and start to get consistent sales and consistent signups for your courses, okay? Bonus number 2 is you're gonna learn a powerful method to instantly turn tire kickers into buyers. So as you start to get interest into your online courses, you may have people that just aren't interested in taking action today, right? They're just not interested in making a purchase to buy today. So what you can do is you can use this method in bonus 2 and start to get people taking instant action so you can start making sales quickly. Excuse me. And bonus number 3 is my copy paste script to convert 90% of leads into sales. So again, as you're using my Facebook posting method for free on a Facebook profile, for example, you're gonna start getting interested people reaching out for your online course. Well, this is exactly what I would say word for word, and I'm not gonna scroll down anymore because I actually have the copy paste script under here. This is exactly what I would say word for word in the messenger, maybe on Facebook or Instagram, to get people to sign up to the course, okay? This is gonna be a very powerful thing you wanna learn. So I hope you enjoyed this video, my friend. Again, if it hasn't launched yet, be sure to go to the link anyway, check that out, because when it does, you wanna get advantage of these bonuses. If you're interested in getting access to Launch Academy, I think you're really gonna like it. Also, I'm gonna include a link to a masterclass that Chris is actually holding on this topic. You can go ahead and opt into the link below at the masterclass, or you can also access that free ebook below that's going to walk you through more information on this also. So thanks so much for watching, my friend. Be sure to subscribe for more reviews, and I'll catch you on my next video.